Okay, now this is something else.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing fantastic today, and in today's video we're going to change the sound of our snare drum without using a tuning key. We're not going to tune absolutely anything because in today's video we're going to test, check this out, 4 big fat snare drum pads. So stay because today's video is going to be fat. Let's go. Damn. Okay, so this is what we have. We're going to start with the original. Okay, big fat snare drum, instant beefy vintage snare drum sound. Sweet, this is the real deal. We're going to find that out. Okay, very easy. You have your snare drum. You just place the pad on top of it and boom! Yeah. Suave. Nice. So pretty basic, it's just a mix of rubber and plastic, and you just place this on top of your snare and you're ready to go. Okay, this is what we have. The first one is the original 14 inches. Steve's Donut 14 inches. Donut XL 14 inches. Snare-Bourine Donut 14 inches. So in today's video we're going to test the original Steve's Donut, Snare-Bourine and Donut XL. Ooh, so delicious. Let's go. I want donuts. Okay, first let's listen how the snare drum sounds without any pad. Let's go. Okay, so we have a lot of overtones, but now let's test. The first pad, the original one, let's go. Okay guys, and what about the installation? Well, it's very simple. You just grab your pad and you place it on top of it. And boom, you're ready to rock. It's that simple. You don't need to tune anything. You just grab your pad and you put it on top of your snare. It's beautiful. And if you want to remove it, that's why it has this finger cut. You just put your finger here, you left it, and boom, it's gone. Is this magic? This is beautiful. It's crazy. I love it. Okay, so here we go. First test with the original pad. Let's go. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, the only thing is that it dances a little bit in the snare, but it's cool. Okay, now let's try Steve's Donut. Let's go. Looks hot. Okay, I like this one better. Yeah. Okay, so now let's try Donut XL. Okay, it's time to test Snare-Bourine Donut. Let's go. Okay, my favorite part is that when you do ghost notes, it activates the jangles right here. Listen to this. Man, sounds so freaking cool. Man, I love this one. Okay, and here's the cool part. You can also use these pads with your floor tom. So we're gonna need a floor tom right here. Let's go. Looks nice. Okay, now this is something else. Let's go, Steve! Okay, now it's time to create some combos in snare drum and floor tom using our new big fat snare pads. Let's go!